Alright folks, here's an update video of my 1978 Ford Fairmont two-door sedan, also known as the Fairmont box top. Bought this vehicle about 3 months ago from Washington State. Got it delivered here in California. And so far what I've done is did a cut and buff on the paint, which turned out decent for an original paint. It did have a vinyl top at one point, which I ended up ripping out what was left of it and sanded that and color matched it with some aerosol spray paint, which turned out okay. Also replaced a fender, which was a fender bender at one point, and color matched that as well. Also went ahead and ripped out the interior as it was old and sun faded. Plus I needed to clean up. Going to be redoing the headliner. I did find an original OEM replacement interior, which I'm pretty excited about. The color is called chamois, which is not the crowd's favorite as of what I read, but I personally like it. It screens 70s, and that's kind of what I want with this car, is get it to its original state. You know, get into this time capsule and enjoy the ride. I did just remove the sound deadener, the old sound deadener, and going to be replacing that with some Dynamat. Going to be doing the headliner as well. Maybe later on do a short block Ford swap, as right now it has the inline 6, which it runs and drives, which I'm happy about. That way I could go ahead and enjoy it while I source maybe a 351, a little bit of nitrous, make it a fun little street car. Oh yeah. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.